Then I'm going to teach you about the C# database. Okay. So for the next following videos, I would like to create a hotel booking system that enable the student or the user to send a request to the admin, and then admin will either reject or approve the loan specific loan request. Okay. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to the hotel booking, the project, the name you enter it, and then click the add button, click the new item. Okay. After that, go to the serve here to type the database. In here you got the two selection, so click the last one, solely based database. Then for the name you can name it the name you want, but for now I just keep it the default name. Okay, create the app. Okay, so go to here, go to database tool. Okay, in the database tool, I need to create several tables. The first table will be the student user, another table will be the admin, the last one will be the loan. Okay, so create the add new table. Yeah, so this one I think I just use user ID. Okay, since the user ID is a unique key, or you can call it primary key, so you need to enter his the unique volume, otherwise the database will reject the volume. So basically you got two choices. One is you enter by yourself, another one let the system enter unique number. So I will choose the second one. So what you can do is go to properties and then go to here. As you can see, identity specifications. You just need to click the change its identity to the true. Okay. After you change this one, system will help you to enter the unique volume so that you don't need to enter by yourself. Okay. So the user ID, another column will be the username. Okay. Username should be non-watcher. Non-watcher. Okay. And then maybe user ID, username. Yeah, I think that is enough for current level. So let me create another table for the admin as well. Admin, yeah. Admin also, I think I will just let the system to, since the admin only one admin, so maybe I don't need to let the system give a unique number. I can give it by myself. So, but I think I just need to change the name admin ID, and then admin password. Oh, I forgot to enter the password for the user, because user need to enter his password in order to log in his specific phone. Yeah. So I think I need to change yeah. Okay. So give me a second. User ID, username, password. Yeah. Now more chat as well. Yeah. So after you complete, you need to create the outlet in here. Okay. So you need some let the system you need. Okay, we just wait some time for the system to update the things. Okay. Let me try again. Investigation. Okay, I think the problem occur in here, so I think I need to change the table name. So I just change it to student. Yeah. Contain more than one primary key. Okay, what's the problem for now? Table one so contain more than one primary key. Name of primary key. Separability equal to true. I think so. Okay. Yeah, you don't need to, just now I missed that, you don't need to set the primary key again, because I just now I already set this one into identity key. Yeah, this is my mistake. So go to here as well. This one you also need to change the table name because and I just name it admin. Yeah, update the database. And then the last table I want to create is the loan table. ID. Since the loan ID got the many loan volume, I mean the multiple loans, depend on the user request. So maybe this one I also need to change it to identity key. Yeah. So after loan ID, loan ID, loan status, I think I need to add the status because the reason I add the status is either this loan is vacant or occupied, so that we need to specify it so that the student will not overput the loan. Okay, so I think loan ID status. Yeah, I think this one also need to change the loan. Okay. Okay. Update the database. Okay. So and then in order to see the tables, you need to refresh it. Okay. As you can see, all the things are in here. Admin. Wait a second. Why I got two admin? Maybe I didn't. Okay, so I think I will add the volume for now. So the table data, and then admin ID, I think I just add AD01, and then password. Oh, because just now I add the admin, wait a second. Change volume cell another guy. Equals no coded format. I think the admin I add the data type is integers. Yeah, so I only can the ID only can accept the integer number. Okay, maybe I just 84678. Okay, this is my mistake. The password will be 1234. Okay. Oh, I only require one admin to handle all the user requests. Okay. So yeah. And then go to the student as well. Show the table data. As you can see, you cannot enter the volume in here. Remember, because just now I set it as an identity key. So I just need to give the name only. For example, I take a Jack, and the password will be @9. And then let me set the two user for now. JC 90. Okay. As you can see, the system automatically help you to set the number, so you don't need to set it. Go to loan ID will be just now I also set it as an identity. So maybe, oh, for now, all the room will be broken. Broken. I think I set 3 room first. Okay. So yeah. So in this database, we got 3 tables, and also 3 tables got their own volume of data. So in the next video, I will teach you about the login page. So how the user can log into their specific page only. Okay. So yeah. So I think that's all for today's video. So yeah. So if you like it, please subscribe and